Good morning, Jai Hind, and welcome बच्चों. In today's class, we are going to discuss a very important topic, insurance services. I must say that you hear this word insurance already in your life. When we suppose I have a particular bike, so you must hear the name bike insurance, you must hear the name life insurance. LIC is a very well known name in the insurance sector. So why this insurance is there? Simple. Insurance is there for covering the risk. Whatever the losses are there because of future is unpredictable. Anything can happen in the future. Suppose I purchase a bike, my bike can be stolen by someone in the future also. So to secure the future, to minimize the risk, we have a particular service which is known as insurance service. Like suppose I'm transferring my goods, I'm placing my goods from Varanasi to Chennai. Anything can be happen between Varanasi to Chennai. When goods is on the way, anything can be happen. It can be stolen, any accident, it can be damage, anything. So for covering that loss, we have a service, insurance service. Okay. So now the important term is insurer and insured. So the particular company who is providing the services is known as insurer. And what thing is insured? It can be object, it can be human life, that is known the things insured. Acha, when insurance money will be given generally on the happening of the event. Like suppose if I purchase a fire insurance, that my goods will be protected against the damage from fire. So happening of the event means that when my goods will be damaged by fire, that will be considered as happening of the event. Okay. An insurance premium is what the amount what we are paying for getting the insurance service, that is known as insurance premium. So bachcha, 4 word is there: insurer, insured, happening of the event, insurance premium. Insurer is a person, firm who give the insurance. Insured is the things, what things are insured, what things get the insurance from the insurer. It can be house, it can be car, it can be human life. Like in the picture you can see that one person hold the umbrella. It means what? The person is holding the umbrella is insurer, who is protecting a particular family against the future damage. Okay. Acha ji, happening of event. What is the happening of event? Very simple. Happening of event is that if suppose my goods is insured from water damage, when my goods will be wet and get damaged, that is what happening of event. And insurance premium is very simple, bacha. Whatever the amount we are paying for getting the insurance services, that is considered as an insurance premium. Acha ji. So there are certain principles of insurance. Principle of insurance means the rules and regulations of insurance. In that 6 principles you can see at your screen. We will discuss each and every principle. Okay. Acha. The first principle is principle of utmost good faith. Good faith is what? Trust. In this particular principle, in this particular picture you can see I have disclosed everything that is pertinent. and the agent of insurance company is saying, excellent Mr. Smith, we will be happy to insure you. Generally, what thing is happening nowadays in the company? The agents are misguiding. They are not giving the full information. I'm just telling an example to you. You will die. Just suppose one insurance agent is coming and telling to you that you purchase our insurance scheme, and when you will die, you will get 25 crore rupees. But on the time of selling the insurance plan, the person didn't tell you. The person hide this particular terms and condition that this death should be a accidental death by fire only. This terms and condition is that particular agent hide from you, not tell you. And when person died, when the representative of that person demand for 25 crore rupees, then they are showing that you had signed on this particular clause also that death should be from the fire only. Then we will get 25. Then we will give 25 crore rupees. So this is what, bacha? This is that person hide some information. What principle of insurance is saying? That both party, it means the person who is selling the insurance plan and the person who is purchasing insurance plan, both have to disclose each and every information to each other to have proper trust. Full disclosure of information should be there. Okay, like a person is knowing that I'm suffering from the cancer, and within 2 or 3 months I will die. And when person going to purchase the insurance plan, person said I'm healthy, I don't have any problem. Arrange a fake medical certificate also, and after that the person purchased the plan. So on the time of amount delivery, when this information disclosed, the terms and according to terms and condition, this plan will be non-valid. So the first principle is principle of utmost good faith. This principle is known as trust principle. This principle is known as trust principle. Everyone have to disclose each and every information to each and every person. To both parties have to disclose each and every information. Second one is insurable interest. देखो बच्चा, without any insurable interest, the insurance cannot be done. Okay, so this principle is saying what, बच्चा? This principle is saying that if we are purchasing any insurance, our insurable interest should be there. Look, like suppose what, bacha? Like suppose if we purchase the fire insurance, so this interest should be, if goods will be damaged from the fire, I will get the compensation. If I purchase the water insurance, marine insurance basically known as, so if goods are transferred from ship and goods damaged on the way, so marine insurance will, according to marine insurance principle, according to marine insurance contract, I will get the money, and that is what? That is the insurable interest. तो बच्चा देखो दोनों प्रिंसिपल का ना छोटा छोटा एक चीज याद कर लो. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ utmost good faith is a trust principle. Everyone have to disclose each and every information. And second, insurable interest is saying that if we are purchasing insurance, there should be a insurable interest. If we are purchasing a fire insurance, there should be an interest that if goods are damaged by fire, the money should be given. Okay, next one is principle of indemnity. ठीक है जी. अब देखो बच्चा, this principle is having a very clear concept. What? Principle of indemnity प्रिंसिपल का एक लाइन में समझना कि इंश्योरेंस इज नॉट फॉर मेकिंग द प्रॉफिट. आई एम राइटिंग डाउन फॉर यू गाइस, यू जस्ट सी दिस. ओके, अच्छा, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंश्योरेंस को लर्न करने का ना द बेस्ट वे इज व्हाट, दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ learning whole paragraph, you read the paragraph and you learn the keywords. Okay, you learn the keywords, like keywords of utmost good faith, trust should be there, full disclosure of information. This two line. Insurable interest means when we are purchasing insurance, there should be interest of on behind that particular purpose, but that particular purchase. And the next one is principle of indemnity. It means insurance is not for making profit. So what is the meaning of this? This principle is very important also. What is the meaning of this? Suppose I insured the goods worth rupees 1000. ठीक है जी? So when I'm taking the insurance, I disclose that my goods total value is 1000. So bacha, how much maximum from insurance company I can get it? Either less than 1000, either maximum 1000 if complete goods destroy. Like suppose we purchase the insurance worth rupees 1000. Okay, कि भाई when I am purchasing the insurance, I disclose that my total goods value is 1000 rupees and my 50% goods only destroyed. अब बच्चा, you understand this particular concept. You understand this particular concept that total goods value is 1000. 50% will be destroyed. Then how much destroyment? 500 rupees. So insurance company will give either less than 500 or maximum 500. Although we had an insurance of 1000. मेरे पास insurance तो 1000 का था. But insurance company will check that what is the total value of damage. So if 50% damage, 50% is okay. So insurance company will pay maximum 500 or as per the less than 500. More than 500 insurance company will not there. So principle of indemnity is that insurance company is not for making profit. Insurance company is providing the service so you can bring back in the पोजीशन बिफोर द लॉस. ठीक है जी, लॉस होने से पहले आप जिस पोजीशन में थे उस पोजीशन में आपको वापस लाने का काम कौन करता है जी? प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. तो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंडेमनिटी याद रहेगा ना बच्चा? इंश्योरेंस इज नॉट फॉर मेकिंग द प्रॉफिट, इट इज देयर फॉर ब्रिंगिंग बैक इन द प्रीवियस पोजीशन. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इंश्योरेंस सबरोगेशन. अब देखो, दिस प्रिंसिपल इज व्हाट? This you acha, in this particular picture you tell me that who will demand the money from the insurance company? Red car or blue car? Tell me. Okay, no issue. Chalo ji, I think a both mistake is there. Insurance subrogation principle is saying what बच्चा? It is a very simple principle. ठीक है जी. अब देखो बच्चा, इंश्योरेंस subrogation principle को आप इस तरह से समझो, very simple, that if insurance company is making the payment for your damage, okay, so after settling your payment, the ownership of that product will transfer to the insurance company. How so? I'm telling you. Suppose you have one bike. ठीक है जी. Someone stolen your bike in 2017. You lost the FIR, and after few months you not get your bike back. So you go to insurance company. As per the clause, you demand the money back. Insurance company paid money as per contract. Suppose insurance company paid 60,000 rupees to you. Who? So suppose National Insurance. So you get your condition, okay? So you have one bike which you purchased in 2017 and it lost in 2017. You file the FIR for your bike lost, police investigation done, and after 3-4 months, 5 months, whatever the contract is there, you not get your bike. And after a fixed period of time, after passes of fixed period of time, you file a claim to your insurance company with FIR copy that I didn't find my bike, someone has stolen my bike, please pay my insurance amount. And insurance company return the amount to you, 60,000. But in 2017 last, your bike get it, you get it your bike by police officer. Now the ownership, you don't have any ownership on that particular bike because already insurance company has paid the amount for the bike. So now bike ownership is transferred to the insurance company. Like in this particular damage, suppose it is a new car and 100% is there, and this particular bonnet, this particular bonnet is damaged, and insurance company replaced this. So you cannot get this bonnet back. Who will take it? This insurance company. Who will take it? This insurance company. So it means what, bacha? That after happening of the event, when insurance company settled your loss, after settling the loss product, the damaged product ownership is transferred to the insurance company from you. ठीक है जी, मतलब लॉस सेटल कर दिया तो फिर आपसे जी ओनरशिप ले लिया किसने? इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ने. दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंश्योरेंस ऑफ सब्रोगेशन. कंट्रीब्यूशन, देखो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल इज देयर, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन. अब व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन? देखो, फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू इन द थ्योरी मोड, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल. सो वन पर्टिकुलर न्यूमेरिकल ऑल्सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. Sometimes it's happened that when the things are very costly, the person, company, firm take the insurance from two parties. Like suppose I purchase a particular car and the car is very costly generally. So what I will do, I will purchase from SBI also insurance, and I will purchase from HDFC also. So if any losses are happened, so that losses will be covered by SBI and HDFC both, but you will not get the double amount. HDFC and SBI will contribute in a partial to your losses. Okay, so principle of contribution is what? That when the losses are happening and we have the insurance more than one from the companies, like the things are insured from SBI also, and the things are insured from HDFC also. So if any losses are there, so that losses will be covered by SBI till the amount from what amount I had purchased the insurance. And similarly HDFC will also cover the insurance as per the amount what I had purchased from the insurance from HDFC. How so? So you chalo ji dekho one thing, and after that you will come to know that how the principle of contribution work. Okay, you see here, like suppose Rajan is a person. Rajan is a person, ठीक है, and he have a property. He have a property, and Rajan insured this property from two company A and company B. And from company A it insured for the amount of 3 lakh rupees, and from the company B it is insured for the 6 lakh rupees. Okay, like suppose property is there, and Rajan have this particular freedom that Rajan can take the number of insurance for this particular property. So Rajan take two particular insurance from company A, insurance from company B. From company A, Rajan purchased the insurance of 3 lakh rupees, and from company B, Rajan purchased the insurance of 6 lakh rupees. Now guys, suppose any any earthquake is there and the property get damaged, and the loss of the damage is 1,50,000, and he actually complained to the insurance company about the damage. Now the question is that company A will pay whole 1,50,000, a company B will pay whole 1,50,000, or company A and company B will combinedly cover this particular loss. तो बच्चा every will cover the losses but as per the insurance amount. देखो भाई सिंपल सी बात समझो, हमने जिससे ज़्यादा का इंश्योरेंस लिया वो ज़्यादा लॉस कवर करेगा, और जिससे हमने कम का लॉस लिया वो कम का इंश्योरेंस लिया वो कम का लॉस कवर करेगा. ठीक है बच्चा. तो लॉसेस विल बी कवर्ड एज पर द इंश्योरेबल अमाउंट. Like from the company B, we have the insurable amount of 6 lakh rupees. From company A, the insurable amount is 3 lakh rupees. So how much company A will contribute? See, total loss is how much, bacha? Total loss is 1,50,000. And company A insurance is how much, bacha? 3 lakh rupees. Divided by the total insurance 3 lakh from A and 6 lakh from B. The total how much it will become? 6 plus 3 9, 3 50,000 rupees. Okay, so by this you can write down one particular formula also, that in the principle of contribution, this will be applicable only in the principle of contribution, that when a particular things is insured by more than one insurance company, and if any losses is happen, then how we come to know that which company, which insurance sector, which insurance organization will pay how much. So for that one formula is there, total loss amount into particular मीन जिसका आप जिस कंपनी का निकाल लो, particular company insurable amount divided by total insurable amount, all company total. तो बच्चा total loss amount is 1,50,000. Particular company insurance, so company A in particular insurance company is how much? 3 lakh rupees. So 3 lakh divided by 6 plus 3, total is 1,50,000. Similarly, we now take the company B. कि how much company B will contribute. So total loss amount is how much, bachcha? 1,50,000. Okay. Now particular company insurance amount, so company B insurance amount is how much, bachcha? 6 lakh rupees. So into 6 lakh divided by total insurance amount. So total insurance amount is how much, bachcha? 3 lakh plus 6 lakh. Total is how much, bachcha? 9 lakh. So 1,50,000 to 6 lakh into 9 lakh divided by, it will become how much, bachcha? 1 lakh rupees. So bachcha, company A will bear how much? Company A will give 50,000 in this loss of 1,50,000, and company B will give 1 lakh rupees in this particular loss of the company. So principle of contribution is saying what, bachcha? Very simple thing, that if a particular thing is insured more than one company, more than one insurance company, insurance organization, so whatever the loss is there, that loss will be not given by a single company. It will be contributed between all the companies from whom I purchased the insurance for the same particular assets where damage occur. Okay, that is what principle of contribution. And now back to the topic. Just a minute. Okay, so we have principle of contribution and one is principle of causes proxima. देखो principle of causes proxima is very simple बच्चा. Okay, so next principle is principle of causes proxima. देखो the name is there, causes proxima. So insurance company will give the amount to you on in that case only when the mentioned cause will be there. When mentioned cause will be there. A mentioned cause will be there mean what bachcha? Very simple, very simple. Like suppose if we take the insurance of fire, so when insurance when the goods will be damaged by insurance, sorry, when the goods will be damaged by fire only, then only the insurance company will pay the amount to you. If you take the insurance of marine, it means water damage. So when insurance will be damaged by water only, then you will get the insurance. The principle of causes proxima is saying that the insurance company will pay the amount in that case only when it is already that reason which is already mentioned in the contract. Okay, so the reason should be same for damage which is already mentioned in the contract, then only you will get the losses, when you will get the compensation for the losses. So which is the last principle what we have to discuss today is principle of meetingness of loss. It is very simple. देखो, when we take the insurance of anything, it doesn't mean that we don't have to care the property, because we are knowing that if any damage will be there, so insurance company is there to pay the damage amount. Insurance company, this particular principle of insurance is saying that if you insured any particular product, then if you not take care of that particular property, if you not saving your particular property and intentionally you are damaging your property, so insurance company will not make the payment to you. Okay, so you have to take care of your property, you have to do all the arrangement by which your product will be not damaged, then only the insurance company will make the payment to you. Otherwise, when insurance company will come to know that this damage is not natural, this accident is not natural, it is intentionally done, then insurance company will not make the payment to you. So principle of meetingness of loss is saying that if you insured any product, you have to take care of that product. You have to do all the arrangement by which the product will be not get damaged. And if so, if it is by intention, then insurance company will not liable to make the payment. I'm telling you by a picture also. Okay, just give me a minute. Suppose bachcha, suppose you purchase a mobile phone, okay, and you get a insurance in which it is there that if any damage is there, insurance company will cover. So you purchase a mobile phone and insurance, you take the insurance of that mobile phone, and it is as per the insurance principle, as per the insurance contract, if any damage is there, who will pay? Insurance company will pay. Now damage can be natural also and can be accidental also. Like in any accident, your mobile damage. In any accident, your mobile damage. So insurance company will pay for this. Okay, any sudden slip is there and screen broken, so insurance company will cover this also. But intentionally you are breaking your mobile, you are breaking your mobile, and insurance company will inspect before making the payment, and this insurance company will come to know that you break your mobile intentionally, then insurance company will not make the payment to you. Okay, so we had discussed each and every principle of insurance, so come to the main picture, this one. So if you have any problem, you can ask. Simple keywords I'm telling you by which you can learn this diagram. Utmost good threat, trust principle. Insurable interest, return principle. Indemnity, not for making profit. Subrogation, ownership will transfer to insurer. Mittingness means take care of property after the insurance also, and causes proxima means that should be same cause which is already mentioned in the contract, then only the insurance company will make the payment to you. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you very much. I hope that's all principles clear. If you have any problem, please tell me in the comment box. Thank you.